wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best phone tripods. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. A compact, lightweight model for photo enthusiasts on the go. The comdy Octopus fits easily into a backpack or a purse. Its flexible legs are simple to position for providing stability on uneven surfaces, which makes it nice for outdoor use. The clips have soft protective foam, and it can rotate from landscape to portrait orientation. However, the tightening knob is easy to break. At number 9, with the ability to extend from 9 inches to nearly 3 feet in length, the ubeesize stick allows you to snap pictures at a variety of different heights. It comes with a detachable remote control and functions as a foldable selfie stick as well. It's equipped with a durable aluminum alloy frame and a wrist strap, but it's not ideal for large phones. Coming in at number 8 on our list, a versatile, easy-to-handle tool that accommodates most iOS and Android devices. The eocean stand is about 40 inches long at full extension and less than 8 inches when folded. The holder rotates a full 360 degrees, so you'll have plenty of flexibility. The remote charges in less than 1 hour, and it has a selfie stick mode. However, it's a bit wobbly when fully extended. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for phone tripods, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the soft feet of the Sellemer Flex won't scratch surfaces and provide a reliable grip, because the last thing you want to deal with when taking photos or shooting videos is a camera that's slipping and sliding around. It comes with a carrying pouch as well. The legs are fully adjustable and the remote has Bluetooth capabilities, but it doesn't come with instructions. Moving up our list to number 6. The eocean mount is designed with a 3-way head, which is useful for tilting and swiveling, and can be adjusted for both landscape and portrait orientations. Even though it's made with strong aluminum, it's lightweight enough to transport easily. This one's equipped with a spirit level and includes a carrying case and padded grips to protect your phone. Halfway up our list at number 5. It doesn't extend and it's not ideal for selfies, but if you're looking for a simple option that's both sturdy and portable, the urwill travel should suit your needs. It'll fit in your pocket to take on the go, and it's versatile enough to wrap around a tree or a railing. It comes in blue or black, and the remote works at up to 30 feet away. It's got 5 legs for reliable stability. At number 4, combine the fun of a selfie stick with the practicality of a 3-legged stand using the yoozon extendable. Its discrete legs fold out from the bottom of the shaft in seconds, allowing you to set up a stable platform for capturing photos or broadcasting live video. It weighs less than 3 ounces and features an included remote that stores on the tripod and rubber legs to prevent it slipping. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. A conveniently sized model that provides panoramic rotation. The ubeesize tabletop turns smoothly thanks to its stainless steel ball bearings. In addition to supporting phones, most cameras with a 1/4-inch screw interface can be attached to the head. It's compact and professional looking and offers 45 degrees of tilt. It's suitable for a GoPro camera too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for phone tripods, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, a freestanding model that's larger than most portable options. The kufox holder is a nice choice for anything from video chats to watching movies. The stem is adjustable through a wide range of heights, so you can use it standing up or sitting down. This one accommodates an iPad mini and offers a maximum height of 67 inches. It boasts a sleek and modern appearance. And taking the top spot on our list, adjusting the angle of the fotopro smartphone is a quick and effortless process, so it shouldn't take very long to get it situated for a stunning photo or a dynamic video. It includes a handy Bluetooth remote that allows you to operate it with the push of a button. It's equipped with flexible waterproof legs and available in 2 sizes. It has a maximum load capacity of just over 28 ounces. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for phone tripods, or simply click beneath this video.